Namaskar. Let us solve this question. This question is from conversion of trigonometric ratios. And the question is, if tanA plus secA equal to x, so that sinA equal to x squared minus 1 upon x squared plus 1. Here tanA plus secA equal to x is the given condition. And from this given condition, we have to find out sinA equal to x squared minus 1 upon x squared plus 1. Let's start the solution. The given condition is tanA plus secA equal to x. Write down tanA plus secA equal to x. Here we have two ratios, tanA and secA, but we need to find value of sinA. So for that, in terms of tanA, we can write sinA upon cos A. And in terms of secA, we can write 1 upon cos A. And in right hand side, we'll write x as it is. Now, since these two fractions are like fractions, both of their denominator is cos A only. We'll write cos A as common denominator. And in numerator, we'll have sin A plus 1 equal to x. Since we need sin A only, but there is still cos A. In place of cos A, if there would be cos square A, then this cos square A could be written 1 minus sin square A. Unfortunately, there is not a square. For that, we'll square both sides, on left hand side also, on right hand side also. In place of sin A plus 1, we can write 1 plus sin A as well. Upon there is cos A. As I told before, we'll square both sides. Since this is common square of numerator and denominator, we can write 1 plus sin A whole square and cos square A separately equal to x square. Now in place of this cos square A, we'll write 1 minus sin square A, this one. And we'll get 1 plus sin A whole square upon 1 minus sin square A equal to x square. Now we'll write here, or this 1 minus sin square A can be factorized using formula of A square minus B square. Formula of A square minus B square is A plus B, A minus B. Similarly, 1 minus sin square A will be written 1 plus sin A and 1 minus sin A. In numerator, we have 1 plus sin A whole square, and this also will be written in the form of factors. There will be two factors, 1 plus sin A and 1 plus sin A. And in right hand side, there is x square only. Now this 1 plus sin A and 1 plus sin A, these two factors of numerator and denominator will be cancelled, and it will remain 1 plus sin A in numerator, 1 minus sin A in denominator. Now we can do cross multiply. We can put here upon 1 as well. 1 plus sin A into 1 will become 1 plus sin A only, and multiply 1 minus sin A with x square into 1, x square only. X square into minus sin A will be minus x square sin A. Since we have to find the value of sin A, we'll take the terms with sin A together. this side. This minus x square sin A also will be taken this side. It will be positive. X square sin A is taken left hand side from right hand side, and sin A is already this side. Its sign will not be changed, and this x square is on left hand side. This one is positive in left hand side. If we take right hand side, it will be minus 1. Now in these two terms, sin A is common. Take sin A common, and there will remain x square, and from here sin A is taken already as common, and there will remain 1 only. This is equal to x square minus 1. Or now we have to find value of sin A. So sin A will be this side. The remaining which is in multiply will go in divide another side. X square minus 1 upon x square plus 1. Hence what we had to prove is now proved. Now in place of this or, you can write hence or therefore.